Hello students, that in my previous class I had explained about the adverbs, and the first kind of adverb that I had given my explanation, and simultaneously I also had given like how to form the adverb. So from adjective to adverb. And here also the same I am going to continue today, that you are having formation of adverb, that is when the adjective ends in y. If the last letter of any adjective word is y and preceded by a single consonant, I repeat, when the adjective ends in y preceded by a single consonant, then change into ILY instead of y. So just to have a look here, the word happy, last letter is y, and just before that there is a consonant. So just to change into adverb by adding ly, then y will be replaced by the letter I. So here happy, happily. What would be the correct spelling? Happily. Here also the word marry, then it should be MERRRILY, merrily. The word heavy, that is heavily. The word easy, easily. The word ready, that is readily. The word steady, steadily. The word angry, angry. The word pretty, prettily. So these are the various examples which I have given to you, that how to form in adverb if it is in adjective, that if the last letter is y preceded by and followed by a single consonant, then to change into adverb, what we have to do, that y we will replace it, and instead of y there, that it should be written ILY. The same that you are looking at the board. This is the second kind of the formation of the adverb, that how the adverb can be changed from adjective to an adverb. Some adjectives form their adverb as shown below. So that is true. T-R-U-L-Y, truly. The word noble. Nobly. The word simple. Simple. The word single. Singly. The word double. Doubly. The word whole. Wholly. The word beautifully. The word cruel. Cruel. The word careful. Carefully. The word annual. Annually. The word immediate. Immediately. So another type of the formation of the verb from the adjective, there are certain words. Now we are looking here that true, T-R-U-E, it is an adjective. When to change it to adverb, the last letter, that E, will be deleted, and simply that ly should be written. Like the word true, truly. And what would be the correct spelling of truly? T-R-U-L-Y. Here also the word noble, nobly, N-O-B-L-Y. The word simple, last letter is E. E should be omitted. So simply S-I-M-P-L-Y, likewise that you are saying. But in some other case, that you are having a look that how that it has been changed into adverb from the adjective, that double the consonant that it has been put over here. The word whole, wholly, the W-H-O, double L-Y. The word beautiful, that is beautifully. The word cruel, cruelly. Now you're having a look that the double L, double consonant that has been changed. Now careful, carefully. Annual, annually. Immediate, immediately. So these are the things that how to change into the adverb, that also we should keep in our mind, and accordingly that we should change from adjective to adverb. Now the second kind of adverb, this is interrogative adverbs. So, interrogative adverbs are those which are used for asking questions. So number one, that is number A, interrogative adverbs of quality or manner. Like one example, how. It means in what manner did he manage this? Did he manage this? How? In what state of health? Are you today? So, the second kind of the adverb, that is called interrogative adverbs. It means that asking the questions. Like interrogative adverbs are those which are used for asking questions. So the first one is called as interrogative adverbs of quality or the manner. So within bracket, that whatever that the interrogative words that I have written, and what does actually that it mean, what does that it show. So here the question is that how did he manage this? So by putting some effort or something like, so here that the manner is indicated, so that for your better understanding that I have written, in what manner. So how did he manage this? And here also that is showing the present state of the health. So that is the quality. So how are you? So for this how, it is the meaning that I have written, that in what state of health. So how are you? Now the second one, that is number B. Interrogative adverbs of place. Now number C, interrogative adverbs of time. Example, when will she return? One more, how long will he stay here? Now number 3. Interrogative adverbs of number. How many? Boys are in the class. How often did she visit you? So another kind of the interrogative adverbs, that is interrogative adverbs of place. So place means that where does he live? So the word where, it is an adverb and it shows the place. Now interrogative adverbs of time. So these particular words like when, how long, actually this actually indicates about the adverb of time. So when will she return, or how long will he stay here? So underlined that interrogative words are also and adverbs. Now interrogative adverbs of number, that is it shows the number of it, that is how many boys are in the class, then how often did she visit you. These are actually the following, the interrogative adverbs under which that the manners, then the word place, the time, the number, that it also shows by asking the questions, so that these are the adverbs. Then one more is there. That is number E. Interrogative adverbs of quantity. Or degree. Like how far is the report true? How much did she take? Now number F. The interrogative adverbs of reason. Like, why are you late? So, the certain examples in case of that interrogative adverbs of quantity or the degree. So, how far is the report true? Another set of examples also, that how far is the station from here, likewise also that it can be given. Then how much did she take? So these are actually the examples of that interrogative adverbs of quantity. So the word, if you are asking the questions, so that I have underlined it, which actually shows that is the adverb. Then interrogative adverbs of reason means asking the reason, the cause, and for this, that why are you late? This is asking the question. Someone has to give the answer. Someone has to give the reason that why particularly that you are late. So it actually that shows the reason. So for that reason also, that if we are asking the questions, so these question words are also an adverb. So this is all the suitable explanation that I have given. The second kind of the adverb, is actually that interrogative adverbs. And here also the different categories, that by asking the time, by asking the region, then by asking the quantity or the degree, these all the things that first of all that you are asking the question, those words also can be called as an adverb. So now during next class, again that I shall give you the certain information about the adverbs, because that adverb is also very much important to understand. So this also you must have the regular practice. Thank you.